Well, here's an update video on the 1961 Mercury Colony Park. I haven't got my front bumper mounted yet, but that's on the to-do list. I got some bumper shocks and the bumper. I think it came from early 70s Impala, but yeah. Rehung the leaves, just a shackle. Be adding to the pack tonight, and mounted up the bumper with 76 Mercury I-beam shocks. So it's welded up pretty good. This side, it's not as bad as it was. Got it pulled out as good as I could. So it's not too bad. And I got this baby on that big old dash bar. And that's about it. I'll have another update here soon. Have a good one.